Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Today I will be reviewing Commission Made Simple, my very first product, in which I will be teaching you how to make money online. So guys, if you are interested in seeing what I have to offer when it comes down to Commission Made Simple, make sure you stay tuned, in which I'll be going over the sales page and giving you the inside peek on what you will be receiving inside the course, the members area of Commission Made Simple. So make sure you tune to the end, in which I'll be showing you exactly what you'll be getting. And if you are a member of Commission Made Simple, you will be receiving over 50 different free bonuses handpicked by me. So guys, I'm so excited to show you what Commission Made Simple has to offer. So let's get right into this review. We are on the sales page of Commission Made Simple. I'm so excited. So let's scroll down and see what are you going to get when it comes down to you purchasing Commission Made Simple. All right, now, so I am basically showing you the easiest way to make money online, showing you the exact training in which I took myself to start making money online, guys. So yes, take advantage of the 2.3 billion daily users, and you do not have to create any offers, you don't have to sell anything, or you do not have to worry about customer service, guys. Affiliate marketing is a $6.8 billion game. Okay, now you either in it or you not. People are already cashing out $220 plus per day. Okay, let's check and see what are you going to get with Commission Made Simple. Right now, this button is not active. So in 2 hours and 2 minutes, this button will be active, so you can purchase Commission Made Simple, so you can start making money online by taking the training and taking massive action. Okay, what are you going to get inside Commission Made Simple? Well, I am going to give you step-by-step tutorials on how to become a beast in affiliate marketing using tools that you didn't even know were tools. But this time, they are going to work out in your favor. Okay, you will be receiving templates to make your life easier, and you will be gifted over 50 different digital products in which you can use to your advantage. Bonuses. Okay, now they are going to enhance your knowledge and help you get more commissions if you take the action, if you literally take what you were giving in this course and take action. Okay, this is not scary, and it is super beneficial if you know what you are doing. So you can't know what you are doing if you don't take action. All right, now, so introducing Commission Made Simple, the world's most simplest way to make money online using YouTube and other free traffic sources. Okay, guys, this is super duper amazing. If you're looking for a 180 in your life, like if you're looking to do something different, if you want to literally leave your 9-to-5 job, you have to start something different. You cannot leave your 9-to-5 job without another income, and this is a way in which you can make another income. All right, realizing that you can, when I realized that when you can share knowledge and help other people, I went and jumped on that. Okay, it took me a minute, but I jumped on it, and I'm really hoping that you take advantage of this very, very low price course. Okay, this course will not be at the same price after our 100th entry. Okay, so Commission Made Simple is brought to you by me, 𝐜𝐸, and my partner Amarna, in which we take pride in giving you the information that we would receive in our affiliate marketing journey over the years. Okay, now people will be cashing in on this amazing offer. People like this have already spent thousands of dollars on this amazing offer, and we are going to give it to you at a very, very low price. This is 100% money back guarantee, guys. Okay, do not wait, because you will be receiving over 50 different bonuses, okay, to increase your online journey. Today, I will be giving you complete access to everything that I know, and I will not be stingy, okay guys? So if you're looking to make money online, let me show you what is inside Commission Made Simple, okay? So now we are in the dashboard, and I'm going to show you exactly what you are going to be getting when you partner with me and Amarna, okay? And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channels. I am going to go over this brief overview and go to the bottom of what you will be getting, okay? So this is the intro. I'm going to show you how to whitelist my email. I'm going to show you the overview and what are you going to be doing inside of Commission Made Simple. I'm going to explain what launch jacking is, how you should be setting up your mindset, mandatory tools and equipments, how to set up Warrior Plus, how to set up JV-Zoo, and what is 𝐜𝐴𝐻𝐼 all about, and how 𝐜𝐴𝐻𝐼 was able to help me start to make money online. Okay, your business tools and equipment, image hosting for Commission, Gorilla, and emojis, showing you how to get free emojis using just your internet and just a quick Google search. How to set up your bonus page, how to create and customize a bonus, how to create bonuses in Commission Gorilla, how to build a buyers list and set up your review videos, how to create your YouTube banner, how to find helpful tips for your YouTube channel, and why create helpful content, and why it is so important to rinse and repeat these steps, because if you do not rinse and repeat, you will not be able to see the results on making money online. Okay guys, I'm so excited. These are all the videos in which I just went through. As you can see, all the titles are here. When you scroll all the way down, you will receive your bonuses. And if you would like to get the upgrade to scale your business to success, I very suggest you get the Commission Made Simple OTO1, guys. This only one upgrade. This is literally all the information that I gained to make money online, guys. So if you're interested in making money online and you do not know where to start, pick up this course, guys. Okay, I really appreciate you checking out this review, and I will see you in the next one.